This chicken breast recipe is taking over the world. Simple, delicious, and irresistible. We'll need 2 red onions sliced into rings. I'm going to place 2 slices here and stick a skewer through each one. We'll also need 2 tomatoes sliced into rounds. Let's place a slice of tomato on each skewer, on top of the onions. Here we have 600 grams of chicken breast, and I'm going to make shallow cuts. In a bowl, I'll add half a cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 grated garlic clove, and mix everything very well. Then I'll dip the chicken into the marinade we prepared. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Emily Smith from Manchester. I'm really happy that you're enjoying our recipes. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it marinate for 30 minutes. After that, we'll place a chicken breast on the skewer, then follow the pattern: onion slices, tomato, and finally chicken breast. Tell me how you make chicken breast at home. I'd love to hear your recipe. This is how it should look. Once done, I'll place everything on a baking tray. Then I'll add 150 grams of mozzarella cheese on top. And bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Make this recipe at home and come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. This chicken is truly irresistible. You won't want to make it just once.